This enterprise test data tutorial, we're going to look at creating our first data pipeline via Hello World. Data pipelines allow the creation of workflows tailored to specific needs. They allow you to connect together different data activities and utilities. This is useful for automating complex processes which require customization. It's also great for flexibility as it provides the ability to define steps and transformations to solve whatever data requirement you have in front of you. We are going to firstly create a data pipeline. We're then going to produce a Hello World example. We're going to execute our pipeline. And finally, we're going to make this available via a submission form. We are inside the Enterprise Test Data portal. And to create a new pipeline, you can click Add Activity and select Pipeline. This is our Hello World pipeline. We'll hit Next, and we will create our pipeline. Now, by default, there is a new model created, which is a pipeline model. Also got a configuration over here. Now, this configuration details parameters about the data pipeline and the properties inside of it. We're going to keep this super simple. We're going to come into our Hello World pipeline model. See, we've got a new model available on the canvas. What we can do firstly is we can come in and we can assign and drag and drop any activity which is available, along with any data activity that's been created. This allows us to chain together and build extremely complex processes. In this case, we're just going to come in and create a very simple activity which logs a message. We need to connect this up from start to end. Come into our log message. What we'll see is that we have parameters that we can populate. In this case, message to log. We're going to log the message, Hello World. And then what we're going to do is we're going to press the debug button and we're going to run this on our server. What we'll see is that this is ran, a message was logged, and if we look at this message that's been logged, we have Hello World printed to the terminal. So this is an extremely simple data activity, which just goes through and prints Hello World, but this shows you how you can build a data activity and get started. Now, once you have this, you can save it and you can make it available via self-service to other people in your team. To do this, all you need to do is come into the activity and select Create Pipeline Submit Model. Execute here, and this is going to create a submit form which executes our pipeline. Thanks for watching this video. Visit curiositysoftware.ie to learn more today.